From this video, you will learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide mixed fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. Would like to add this mixed fraction with this mixed fraction. I will show you three methods for adding these two mixed fraction. Let me show you the first method. In this method, you have to rewrite this mixed fraction or number. So how to do that? So 5 and 1 over 4 means 5 plus 1 over 4 plus 3 and half means 3 plus half, right? Now we need to add whole number to whole number and fractional part to fractional part. So look, 5 plus 3, then 1 over 4 plus half. So we are getting here 8, and now we need to add these two fraction. So how to do that? Okay, these two fraction has different denominators. So we know that we need to make it a similar denominator. That is why look, we can easily do it. We can multiply this fraction by 2 to get 4 as denominator. If you multiply by something to the bottom, that will come automatically to the top. So we are getting here 2 over 4. Now we need to take the similar denominator once, and then we need to add top numbers 1 plus 2. So 8 plus 3 over 4. 8 plus 3 over 4 means, look, 8 and 3/4. So this is the answer, and this is the one method of adding two mixed number. So let me show you the second method. In our second method, we'll write this mixed number 5 and 1 over 4 plus 3 and half, and add this. So add fractional part and then add this whole number part. So to add fractional part, we need similar denominator. That is why look, the LCD, least common divisor. To find out least common divisor, we need to find out the multiple of 4. The multiple of 4 is 4 times 1, 4, then 4 times 2, 8. Let's check for 2. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4. That is least common. To find least common divisor, we see that 4 and 4 is the least common divisor. So make it 4. Multiply by 2, right? Now 2 times 2, that is 4, and here we are getting 4, right? 2. So look, now add 8, then take 4 as a denominator and add here 1 plus 2, that is 3 over 4. So 8 and 3 over 4 is the answer. This is the second method, right? Okay, now let me show you the third method. In our third method, would like to convert this mixed number to improper fraction, right? So that is why you need to multiply denominator times whole number, then you need to add the numerator. So look, so 5 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4, and you need to do the same thing for here. 3 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Now solve. 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 4 plus 6 plus 1 divided by 2. So we are getting here 21 plus 7 over 2. Now the least common divisor or LCM of these 4 and 2 is 4, right? So we need to make it 4. So 21, look, we have 21 4 plus 14 over 4. So take the similar denominator, 21 plus 14. So what we are getting, look, 5 3 4. This is a improper fraction. You need to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. That is why you need to divide this 35 by 4. Okay, so look, 4 goes into 3 0 times. 0 times 4, that is 0. Subtract 3, bring down this 35. Look, now you need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Just add 4 with this 4. 4 times 3, just add 12, 16, 20, but here we have 35. So let's write 24 plus 4, 28, right? And here we have 35. So let's move. 32. Okay, 32. If you take 9 here, then what will happen? 32 plus, okay, plus 4, that is 36. 36 is greater than 35, so we need to stop here, right? We need to stop here. 8, that is 4 goes into 35 8 times. Then we have 32, 8 times 4. Then we have here 3. So our quotient is 8. Our remainder will be the numerator, or divisor will be the denominator. So 8 and 3/4 is the answer. This is the third way, right, to add two mixed number. So let us show me how to subtract. You can do subtraction for mixed number in 3 ways as like addition. So let me show you that. Okay, so at first you need to convert this mixed number to improper fraction, right? So how to do that? Look, 5 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 3 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So look here, 4 times 20, 21 divided by 4 is 3 times 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. So now subtract. To subtract, look, we need like denominators. Here 4, here 2. So make it 4 multiplying 2. So 21 is 14 over 4. So take the similar denominator for the new fraction and then just subtract the numerator of both fraction. Now subtract 21 minus 14, that is 7 over 4. This is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So now divide this 7 by 4. 4 goes into 7 1 times 4, 4. Now subtract, 3 is your remainder. So quotient will be whole number, remainder will be the numerator of the fractional part, and divisor will be the denominator, same divisor. 1 and 3/4 is the answer. So you can solve this math in second way. That is why you need to write this problem like this: 5 and 1/4 minus 3 and half. Now you need to subtract whole number to whole number and fractional part to fractional part. But in case of fractional part, you need to consider the same denominator. Here 4, here 2. So make it 4. So look, here we are getting 4 and in here we are getting 2. Now subtract. 4 is the similar denominator, right? And here look, here we have 1 and here we have 2, right? So this is causing problem. So this method will not work for this problem. Okay, take it another problem and try to do that in that way. So now learn how to multiply this mixed fraction by this mixed fraction. So there is one way to do that. So you need to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction at first. So that is why you need to multiply whole number times denominator plus numerator, and you have to take the same denominator times same. 3 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 21 divided by 4 times 7 over 2. Now you have to multiply top to top, bottom to bottom. 21 times 7, then 4 times 2. Now multiply 21 times 7, that gives us, look, 7 and 147. 147 divided by 4 times 2, that is 8. So this is an improper fraction. So change it to mixed number. 8 goes into 14 how many times? 1 times. So 8. Subtract, then you are getting 6. 14 minus 8, 6. Okay, now bring down this 7. 67, that is 8 goes into 8 times. 8 times 8, 64. Subtract, you are getting 3. So quotient will be our whole number, remainder will be our numerator, and divisor will be our denominator. So this is the answer, right? Okay, let us take this example, how to divide this mixed number by this. So you need to convert these two mixed fraction to improper fraction. So look, 5 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4, then 3 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So we are getting here 21 divided by 4, 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. Now we need to apply keep, change and flip method. So how to do that? So keep the first fraction as it is, then change division sign to multiplication sign and flip it. That is, here 7/2, we need to write 2/7. Now multiply top to top number and bottom to bottom number. So we are getting here 2 and 2 times 2 4 and 4 times 7 28. This is an improper fraction, so make it mixed number. Divide 42 by 28. 28 goes into 42 one times, so write here 28. 28 goes into 42 one times, so write 1 times 28, 20 what? Now subtract. We are getting here, look, 2 here, borrow 1 from here, so 12, so 4, and here 3, 2, that is 1. So 14 our remainder. So this is our whole number part, then 14 is the numerator and this is the denominator. So look, here we'll reduce this fractional part. How to do that? So if we divide this 14 by 2, we get 7, and if we divide this 28, then we get, look, 14. Right? And this is the answer. I think you have got the basic idea of adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing mixed number together.